So on this video, we are going to make a chapter 6 tutorial, which is entitled Network Layer. So on this chapter, we are going to do basics configuration of router. So what are we going here is we are going to configure it. So the instruction is enter the global configuration mode to configure the name of the router as R1. So we are on user, so we are going to type enable configure terminal. Then we are now on global configuration mode. Type host name. Host name will be R1. So on this we are need to secure the privilege exec. So we will enable secret, then class. Then password Cisco for our telnet and SSH. So line console 0, then password Cisco, then type login. Then on the VTY, going to type line VTY 0 to 15. Oh, 0 to 4. Okay. Line VTY 0 to 4. VTY 0 to 4. Then type password Cisco, then type login. So done, then exit, then encrypt all clear text passwords. So what we're going to type is service password dash encryption. Then we're going to type a banner MOTD authorized access only. Then hash. Ooh, so banner MOTD authorized access only. Why? I'm doing it right, right? Okay, let's try this banner MOTD authorized access only. Hash. Okay, show. Oh, we're going to use hash. So okay, so then that's it. Then so it's done. That's how we configure the basic configuration of the router. So let's try configure the router interfaces. So let's wait for a bit. I think there's configurations example here. Then it's it's good to make a tutorial for that part. So here. So what we are going to do is configure the gigabit Ethernet 0 over 0 interface. So what we are going to do is we're going to uh, enter the configure terminal, the global configuration mode. Let's try oh, it's not working. Configure terminal. Then now we are on the global configuration mode. We are able to access interface gigabit Ethernet 0. Then we'll just type IP address. We're just going to type the IP address 192.168.10.1 and the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Then After that, we're going to type description, and what's the description is LAN dash 10 LAN dash 10. Then let's type now shutdown so that we're able to activate the interface. Shutdown and configure the gigabit Ethernet as what we've done on the first configuration. We'll just repeat it again, but we have different IP address and different description. So interface gigabit Ethernet 0/1, 0/1, then IP address 192.168.11.1. Then enter, then description, done 11, then type now shutdown so that it will be activated. So now we are already um, configured the R1 interfaces, and that's how we are going to do it. So okay, that's all, and let's look for another. Okay, so that's all for chapter 6. Um, on router's IP address will be the default gateway for the switch and for the computers, and for everything that connected, the default gateway will be the router, so that the router will able to connect the IP address to the device to other devices. So that's all for this chapter 6. It's more on routing, it's more on configuring the router, uh, what are the use of routing tables. That's all for this chapter, and thank you for watching, and I hope you understand something from me, and thank you.